So you basically have three type of audiences that you can target on Facebook, and we're going to be talking about the three just in general, and then we'll go into detail with how to do those actual audiences. But you basically have three: core audiences, custom audiences, and lookalike. Core are basically the ones that you can target by geography, demographics like interest, and a bunch of stuff, right? So if you go to your business manager and you go to the upper left corner on audiences, you're going to see that you're going to have three options, right? Custom, lookalike, and saved. And so you have your three audiences there, which is going to be your core, custom, and lookalike. And so for your saved audiences, it's basically users or customers that you're going to target based on different variables like geographic, demographic, behaviors, interests, as I mentioned, that you can create within Facebook, right? So you're going to have this menu here where I can select country, region, zip codes, different ages, gender, interest, and behaviors. The second audience that we're going to be talking about is custom audience, and these are customers that you can actually remarket, and that's key, right? Like with custom audiences, you're targeting people that have already engaged with some sort of a digital asset, which is basically what Facebook calls it. But what that means is basically a fan page. It can be an Instagram account, it can be your website, it can be people that bought stuff offline, people that interact or left their information on lead forms, right? So those are going to be the customers that you're going to be remarketing through your custom audiences. And the third one is your lookalike audiences. And so lookalike audiences, you're looking for new customers as well. I'm using current customer bases or a custom audience to build my lookalike audience. And so if you go to your audiences, you're going to have lookalike audiences here, and we're going to go into more detail later, but I can basically select the source. So I can say, well, from this customer user base, or for people that actually visited my website, find people that are similar to those people, right? And so those are basically the three audiences that we're going to be talking about in the next couple of lessons. And we're going to go into detail with how to use them, how to use demographics, which type of custom audience are we actually going to be using, and which lookalike audiences are going to help us to launch our ads or campaigns.